Santa Cruz County homeowners, if you're thinking about selling, here's how our team operates. This is one of our team's newest listings here in Aptos. Step one was to strategize. We discussed pricing, timelines, upgrades, property prep, I'll get to that in a minute, and our marketing plan. Step two, property prep. We have a whole department dedicated to the preparation of your listing. Now, the best part is we navigate through this whole process, and we even offer a seller's package if you wish to have this money fronted for you. Our office can be reimbursed through the close of escrow. Pretty sweet, right? Step three, professional cleaning and staging. We even have an in-house staging team. We have it all. Step four is professional photos, videos, 3D tour, and websites. This is for all of our listings, no matter what. Step five, time to launch your listing onto the open market. From open houses to targeted ads like this one, to our broad network of potential clients and agents, we make a splash with your new listing. Step six, navigate offer strategy, renegotiation attempts, and the close of escrow. You'll see after a meeting with our team and discussing your goals, our team will make all the difference. Curious about your options? Give us a call today. I'm Kaelin Wagnermarsh, and you can reach me at 831-419-6538.